Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off your iPhone if it's frozen or stuck. So what you want to do is press volume up, volume down, and then hold down the power button, and that will force restart it. Now if we want to force turn it off, we're going to want to press volume up, volume down, hold down the power button when it turns off, volume up, and then the power button. So let's do it now. So volume up, volume down, hold down the power button. You're going to see slide the power off, continue to hold it down right here. Then when it turns off, switch the volume up and power button. So let's switch now when it turns off. So switch, volume up, power button, hold these two down at the same time. And then you're going to see the iPhone logo, continue to hold it down. And then we can let go once we see that. And then our phone will be completely turned off. So continue to hold it down and then let go. And our phone is turned off. And this should fix our frozen iPhone. Just press the power button and turn it back on. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.